This is the Stashh website, and Stashh is a an NFT marketplace platform, and this is where I have to send out prizes for my NFT contests if the NFTs are on the secret network. So I'm going to do this for the first time. Hopefully, it goes smoothly, but I have to send a MetaRat to somebody who won my contest. Let's get started. First step is going to be to authenticate here. It says to connect your wallet. It opens up other features on Stashh. Remember, since Stashh is on the secret blockchain, there's a lot of privacy that I have to get around in order to do simple things even, and that's a feature. That's not a bug. Now I'm authenticated with Stashh, so let's see what that lets me do now. It should let me view my wallet, and I should have a MetaRat in here. Now I go to dashboard. Let's see. My Stashh doesn't show anything. Profile. I never filled this out. This is my secret prize wallet for contests. So we'll update the profile there. Sales. Never sold anything. And I could put my socials here. Let's do that. No need to fill out anything else. Let's update. So that's just my profile. That's not accomplishing what I set out to accomplish, but I've never played with this before because I've never tried to sell an NFT. I keep all my NFTs. I only buy what I want. So you just watched me create a permit for this collection. Now Stashh has the ability to look inside my wallet and see what I've got. Problem is this is not showing. Oh, there we go. Now it's showing. It wasn't before. Sometimes these platforms take a while to sync with the blockchain. So if you ever think there's a big error, just keep refreshing or even disconnect your wallet, reconnect it. Sometimes does the trick. So here we go. So this is the MetaRat that somebody won. And over here, I could transfer it to somebody else. Right now, it's owned by me. This is the secret prize wallet. It's my prize wallet, right? And I'm going to transfer it to this address. I should have enough in here to pay for gas. Although on the secret network, the gas is not always so cheap. I'll go with 25 cents, 26 cents. Not a big deal. I have enough to cover this. It says validating. Let's see if this goes through. It should no longer show up in my Stashh. And here's the transactions. Transferring this MetaRat says 31 seconds ago. I'm sure in a couple seconds this will go through. Hopefully this video helped. Not easy to use Stashh. It'll get better, I'm sure, but a lot of it has to do with the privacy features of the secret network and getting permission to even view a wallet, even though it's connected to the website. Little bit of a hassle. I could see how some people might shy away from this, but I think the potential with these different privacy features outweighs the hassle. Once you do it once, you'll never have to relearn it. So hopefully that helped. Appreciate it if you could like, subscribe, even share this video. And you could follow me, talk to me on Twitter. My Twitter handle is @CosmosDeFi. Thank you.